Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how you can use pan and zoom option in video editing software Adobe Premiere Rush. Here, first I go to video. Open the video that you want to edit. Here you can select more than one clip or just select one clip. Here I would like to select these 3 clips, and for that I would like to add pan and zoom. So go to the right side of our editing software here and click on effect icon here, and here you will see pan and zoom. By turning on it, but it's not working because in your video itself you will have zoom. Okay, so it can be only used for photo slides. Okay, so I teach you now how to use it for the photo. Okay, just add some photos from your local gallery. So here I select 3 photos here. Okay, just click on add and they will be added. Yes, they have been added here, and for this you can use pan and zoom. Okay, because if you play it, the frame is unstable, that is it's not moving. So if you want to give some movement to the slide, then you can use pan and zoom. For that purpose it's given here. So just turn on this button. Now you can able to turn on this button, pan and zoom, and yes, now play it. See here. So this pan and zoom options can be used only for photo slides. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.